Hello. After watching this video, you will find out what the word honk means. The cry of a goose. Make a loud noise, the horns of the taxis blared. Use the horn of a car. Cry like a goose, the geese were honking. Eject the contents of the stomach through the mouth, after drinking too much, the students vomited. Eject the contents of the stomach through the mouth, after drinking too much, the students vomited. He purged continuously, the patient regurgitated the food we gave him last night. Eject the contents of the stomach through the mouth. Cry like a goose. Make a loud noise.